You up for cooking a meal for the ages? You're gonna need two things: charcoal and gravity. In other words, nailed it.
Introducing the revolutionary Gravity Series Charcoal Grill and Smoker by MasterBuilt. With its gravity-fed charcoal hopper, the MasterBuilt Gravity Series lets you own the flavor of charcoal and wood. You can fill the hopper with lumped charcoal, briquettes, even add your favorite wood. And as the fire burns, gravity does the work.
And that's enough time to knock out your honey-dos, along with some of your honey-don'ts. The next step towards your next great meal, light the charcoal. Then, pull out your command control.
The MasterBuilt Gravity Series digital fan system allows you to heat up to 225 degrees in under 7 minutes. The precise temperature control maintains your desired cooking temperature.
And now let's go low and slow. Bye-bye, babysitting charcoal. Hello, V-Town. Time to set the mood. All right, all right. Smooth like butter. Next up, my favorite day of the week, steak night.
The Gravity Series Grill and Smoker allows you to ramp up to 700 degrees in just under 13 minutes.
Woo. Hello, delicious. Well, that's all the flavor of charcoal, none of the effort. Let gravity do the work.